Income tax is a direct tax levied by the Government of India on the income earned by individuals, Hindu undivided families, HUFs, companies, firms, LLPs, and other entities. It is governed by the Income Tax Act, 1961. The tax collected forms a major part of the government's revenue, used for infrastructure, public services, and national development. Every person whose income exceeds the basic exemption limit is liable to pay income tax based on the applicable tax slabs. Features of income tax: progressive tax system. The Indian income tax system follows a slab-based structure, where tax rates increase with income. Annual assessment. Income is assessed annually for the previous financial year. Various sources of income. Income can rise from 5 heads: salary, house property, business or profession, capital gains, and other sources. Tax deductions. The Income Tax Act provides several deductions and exemptions under sections like ATC, ATD, etc., to reduce taxable income. Compulsory filing. Individuals and entities crossing certain income thresholds must file an income tax return, ITR, annually. Income tax rates. Income tax rates in India differ based on the taxpayer category, individual, senior citizen, firm, etc., and the chosen tax regime, old or new. For individuals under 60 years, the old regime offers deductions, while the new regime offers lower tax rates without exemptions. The basic exemption limit is 2.5 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees under new regime, with rates ranging from 5% to 30% depending on the slab. TDS and TCS rates. Tax deducted at source, TDS, is a system where tax is deducted by the payer at the time of making specified payments like salary, interest, rent, commission, etc. TDS rates vary from 1% to 30%, depending on the nature of payment and recipient status. Tax collected at source, TCS, is applicable on specified goods and services where the seller collects tax from the buyer at the point of sale. TCS rates range from 0.1% to 5%, depending on the transaction type. TDS payment and returns. Deductors are required to deposit TDS to the government by the 7th of the following month in which TDS was deducted. Delay attracts interest and penalties. TDS returns must be filed quarterly in Form 24Q for salary, and Form 26Q for non-salary payments. Filing includes details of the deductee, amount paid, tax deducted, and challan details. TDS certificates. After deducting and depositing TDS, the deductor must issue TDS certificates to the deductee. Form 16 is issued for salary payments, and Form 16A for other payments. These certificates are essential for filing ITRs and claiming credit for taxes deducted. Income tax returns. Every taxpayer who meets the threshold must file an income tax return annually. Salaried individuals usually file ITR 1 or ITR 2, while professionals and businesses may use ITR 3, ITR 4, or others as applicable. Filing must be done within the due date to avoid penalties and interest. Returns disclose income, deductions, taxes paid, and refund claims. Conclusion. Understanding income tax, TDS, and TCS systems is crucial for every taxpayer to comply with the law and manage finances efficiently. Timely payments, accurate filings, and proper documentation ensure smooth processing and help avoid legal complications.